What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I mean, maybe I shouldn't say good morning. So far, the morning has not gone that well. So I went to go jump in my Denali because today we're going to be doing a lot of stuff to the Denali, getting it ready for something we got going on tomorrow. And well, the truck wouldn't start, which means the batteries are dead. But the good news is our good buddy Wes has his super sweet jumper cables that he made. Bad news is I don't have any on me. They're at the warehouse. So we're going to go to the warehouse, grab the jumper cables, come back, grab the Denali, go back to the warehouse. Well, I was on my way to the warehouse and then Wes just hit me up saying he's got cables in his truck. He'll meet me over here. So we're going to turn back around. You know, the problem with having multiple vehicles is when you don't drive one enough. But it's only been about a week and a half since I've driven the Denali. I think at this point it's safe to say there's a parasitic draw somewhere. What's up, buddy? What do we got in here? We got some spinner cables. Oh, we can't even look back there. Secret. So if you guys remember, the last time I tried to jump my Denali, apparently the issue was I was using way too thin of cabling on the jumper cables that I had. So it just was not enough to start the truck. Even using the Ford, which has dual batteries and all that and running, it should have been able to start it. But the cables were just heating up and it wasn't transferring the power. Wes could probably explain this a lot better than I can. Hold the cable up. There goes nothing. Oh, like a troll. Look at that face. Look at that face. Well done, Wes. Well done. Good cables, buddy. So if you guys remember, the last time I tried to jumpstart my truck with the crappy jumper cables, that's why Wes actually made the cables that we have right now. And if you guys have seen on Instagram, we've been selling a ton of those sets of cables that Wes has made. I mean, he might restart making them in the future, but he is essentially sold out of all the sets that he's gonna make for this whole batch. Maybe when he gets back from deployment or something, we can convince him to make more because they are very high-end cables.
Most cables, the cable only comes in on one side of the clamp. That's a very small part of the clamp that actually makes contact. So the more of the jaw that you can, actually connect to your terminal, the better transfer you're gonna get. But if it's only coming in one side, you don't have a whole lot of conductive material there. So what I did is I found a company that makes this copper braided grounding strap essentially, and I had them make it in the length that I needed to make this loop, and basically doubles up.
So you can see both sides of the clamp are connected with that strap,
and that helps quite a bit with transferring.
Okay, let's try starting off today, take 2. So today we are going to be putting the new axle on my truck, finally, and then of course, if you guys remember, we've got big, loose, beautiful dually in here that we're going to be running a whole air horn setup on, as well as putting in the helper bags, or the airbag setup, the wireless one, similar to Martin's truck, to help with the sag of the truck when he's towing. And another thing we got to do to my truck is this thing needs a full detail. It has not been cleaned really since the snow, since we took it. I mean, it's been like rinsed off, but it hasn't had a full detail. I don't even think since we took it in the mud, the snow, the desert, all that. So this thing is long overdue for a good cleaning. Unfortunately, Josh is busy today. Nick is busy today. I think Nick's gonna come by at the end of the day though, just to give this thing like a final polish, but looks like the old Rhino is gonna be climbing up underneath this thing and detailing every inch of it because we do have a magazine photo shoot tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that. But I wanna make sure that this truck is good from beating it up off-road because I do have a 2-hour drive to that photo shoot. So Zach's gonna be giving it kind of a once-over as well. Oh, and other good news, we don't have any crappy neighbors anymore. The oil people have moved out. They were essentially kicked out for illegally operating whatever business they're running in there, plus all the illegal construction they did. So they are gone. Well, while we wait for Zach to show up, I guess it's time to start cleaning the old BBB.
Who want it? Not what you want, it's bound to be iconic, baby. You got it. Let me get that love and that's 100, taking the proof on it. When I'm in the spot and I catch the feeling, raising the roof on it. You know that we gonna about to head. Hey, hey, y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. Get up, I know y'all hear me. Show love when I'm in your city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. I did it for the 5-3.
Well, the boys have shown up. Legalized deleted diesels.
It's even bigger. If you
Oh,
Why would you want to
I like it.
deleted diesels, dude?
because it makes me money.
No, there's a reason that you're not allowed to delete them.
And
Federal.
you're off the channel.
The people you work for said we can't do it anymore.
How many DEF tanks and DPFs are on military diesels?
None.
That's what I thought.
We still got 2-stroke diesels in service.
There you go. All right, Zach, we got a lot of goodies in the back over here. We've got a whole lot of California cancer causing stuff in this box.
Just the box.
Just the box causes cancer. Okay, good to know. We've got a lot more cancer-causing stuff in this box. So if you guys don't know, Big Lou actually does tow quite the big fifth wheel toy hauler. I don't remember the exact size, 30 something, maybe 40 foot. His ding ding's a lot bigger than Eddie's ding ding.
Not surprised.
Why'd you make that look so heavy, Zach?
Because I'm super light.
Well guys, never ceases to run into the issues with any horn blaster setup that we've done here. So again, I think we're running wrong mount for the horn setup that we've got. This one's for the 5-horn, I guess, nightmare setup, the same setup that Dmax Barbecue had, but we ran into issues with his setup as well to where his mount was wrong for the horns. So the whole placement is supposed to have made up exactly to the horns in succession. I guess Big Lou only got the 4-horn setup, the 5-horn mount, but the problem is the horns don't, like the small one, don't really match up to any of the allotted holes. That one doesn't even really fit there.
Not with this horn in it.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to make some modifications here to make this work.
Yep, don't fit there. Nope, it don't fit there. How much are these kits?
A lot of money. That mount alone, I think, is like $500-600 bucks. Maybe it's time now we start our own horn company, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Wes will know the part numbers. You can call Wes and he'll make sure you get the right one.
All we're gonna sell is Nathan's.
Yeah, and we'll sell real horns, not plastic horns. So apparently the wrong mount's not our only issue today. What do we got going on in here?
Let's open this up, and I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be
Yeah, that's not good.
there.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you got it? Jeez. Well, Big Lou, looks like, yeah, that compressor's not gonna work very well. You got any JB weld or some bubble gum? We'll put it back
Big
together
Blue
for
just
you.
got blue balled. This horn ain't getting installed in weeks.
So before we get started on Big Lou's truck, we're going to be adding my new CV axle back in place. And again, this is mainly because I don't feel like having a photo shoot and everybody being like, hey, where's that missing axle? And obviously we do need the axle on. You gotta have it right.
That Loctite on that.
Don't scratch the powder coat.
Make sure you bang it off everything in there.
All right, we out. What do you think? Should we make a trophy out of this for the next truck show? Bolts going back in. Well, since it seems like Big Blue's project ain't really working out today, we've gone over to Little Blue, Wes's great drift trike investment, trying to get this thing fixed up. We got the new carburetor. Is that the new one or the old one?
That's the old one.
This is the old one, so the new one's already on. We're trying to figure out this return spring issue going on here. You hold it. Let's fire her up, see how she runs with the new carburetor. Oh, she runs like a dream.
She's cold, man. She ain't.
Sounds like it runs a lot better than it did. Hey, you sure you want to ride it, Bryant?
I'm good. I'm good to go.
You want to ride it?
How a $10 carburetor off Amazon fixed that bit?
We still got a broken seat, but I think we could doctor the seat up enough for Bryant to drive
We
it.
got some 4x4s we could use as.
Oh, yeah, dude. We can zip tie that onto the frame, then we'll screw the
There's
seat.
already. How do you have long screws here?
Yeah, we should.
Well, we'll just screw it to the thing and then screw the seat to it.
Oh, perfect.
Fix it.
Yeah, I think a 2x4. Now we're gonna get $1,000 for it, right, Wes? No. Oh, the premium 2x4. That's high-end stuff, Wes.
I have a seat on order.
You want to wait or you want to ride it right now?
I don't want to ride it. I got one right there.
Look, we've got a whole container of zip ties, dude.
If
We're gonna get this
have
thing
to
back
weld
together.
It back together, might as well break it entirely. Like.
Oh, what do we got? Uh-oh. I heard we got a present. I love presents.
These are surplus.
We're gonna all eat one on the channel and see how the MRE tastes.
These are like fresh, you know, well, I can't really say fresh, but
What's the date? Oh, they're good till 2350.
yeah, we're good.
8/18.
11/18.
11/8. I ate a little bar out.
Chris,
Crack it open. There.
All right, let's see what who wants beef taco?
Ooh, that one's pretty rough.
Is it?
Yeah.
Penne.
Oh, chili and beans.
Chili and beans ain't bad,
Shredded
honestly.
beef. I could see you eating beef shredded fucking barbecue sauce.
barbecue sauce.
Spaghetti with meat sauce.
I always avoid the chicken. The chicken is
Oh, you don't trust the chicken?
Chicken's never done me good.
Well, don't these like back you up too?
Chicken
So you don't
chunks.
poop?
Probably.
Chris, he's been craving barbecue.
Chili mac. I got the chili
That's the
mac.
good one. That's personal favorite right there.
Oh, well, here you go. Don't let us stop you.
Let's open them up.
Bon appetito.
Oh, peanut butter.
Oh, we got peanut butter.
There's the gum. Oh. We have a flameless ration heater.
Oh, that's a heater.
That's
That's
old.
good.
Why is it like that? These are old. You can tell these are old. Blackberry jam.
Ooh.
Got a wheat bread. We got a cookie. Oatmeal cookie.
Oh, that sounds good.
Ooh, we got some
Is that fruit
cappuccino.
punch? That's good.
Irish cream
Fruit punch?
cappuccino.
Oh,
What is
here we
that?
go.
Oh, you got sour
feel
skills.
those. Oh yeah.
This box is expired.
What
No, they're
the?
not. Well, who wants some?
That's
beef
bread.
jerky? Anybody wants some beef jerky?
Maybe.
What the?
You gotta eat it with the cheese spread.
Oh, you didn't put the spread on it. There's your problem. You gotta get the blackberry jam.
Dude, I can't even try that.
This is how we treat our military. We give them this crap. What is that?
Shit food is better than this.
Where's the cookie?
I think Zach was hoarding the cookie over here.
Oatmeal cookie.
There you go. Here's your cookie. Bread no bueno. Let's see. Let's see how the cookie is. It looks good.
Looks like Grandma made it.
Oh, good cookie.
That's a good cookie. Does it make up for the crappy bread?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta heat it up for him. I mean, we do have a microwave in there, but we'll use the bag heater. That's chili mac and cheese right there. That's quality stuff.
I'll try.
My favorite thing about MREs, because they're meant for Marines primarily, they did like the bare bones instruction. They literally put prop it up on a rock or something.
Rock or something.
They had to go bare bones with this because you know they'd mess that up.
Chris over here enjoying this cookie.
I like the cookie. Damn, I found one with chicken nuggets in it.
Zach's over here verifying expiration dates. He don't trust none of this.
Gnarly.
I don't blame him. I'm not eating none of it either.
Which one of these numbers is the date code?
We got our heater pack in there.
Yep.
Just add water.
You gotta do your PPE. That's safety first right there.
Why does it smell so chemically?
Oh, just wait till we actually put the water in.
Yeah, it smells very chemically.
It'll start smoking.
It's gonna taste better. We're using alkylate water here.
It's even worse, bro. Hey, these are older than this package date.
Really?
Going off the code, it says either 2016 or 2013. Then they just re-stamped over it to get.
It says manufacture date November 2015, estimated expiration date May of 2016.
Nah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
That ball
Looking good, man. Nice and firm. That's a good firm thickness right there.
No leakage at top. That's the secret.
That chili mac gonna come out fire.
Steamy fresh.
Oh no, you go right into it.
Oh yeah, Brian, get your spoon, dude. You got your spoon, your spork. You never had these in the Navy?
No.
Oh.
I was on a ship.
So you've never had an MRE in your life?
No.
Huh.
Oh, that was terrible. I'm leaving you.
Why?
Oh, that looks.
You're in for a surprise.
Hold on, dude. Let me.
I don't think it's ready to
Let me
eat
smell
yet,
that
dude.
shit.
It takes like 10
It doesn't
minutes.
smell bad.
Just mix it up.
It takes like 10 minutes to heat.
Smells like some Chef Boyardee.
What is that? Let me smell it.
It's chili mac, dude.
Don't smell chili mac.
If you really want to give it a kick,
Ooh.
you put your cheese spread in there.
Oh, dude, put it in.
You're not gonna put that in there.
Oh,
You guys are gonna have
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Dude, why is it so thick and like?
because it's 10 years old.
It looks like string cheese.
Yeah. Now it's starting to smell gross.
When I was a kid, I thought that was cool to eat.
What, MRE?
Yeah, so I was like, oh, I want. That's a big.
Oh, he's just going for it. Oh yeah.
Alright, you are fucking disgusting.
It's really not that bad.
Oh, dude, we got another spoon?
Chris is hungry.
Chris, you ain't gonna eat that.
I'll take another one for you, Wes.
Good stuff.
I'm gonna.
It actually is.
And I'll get nauseous watching that. Dude.
I
don't know
am.
what it is.
Those are big ass bites, dude.
You gonna use my spoon?
Why not?
This is love right here.
Dude, this
Chris going for it too. I'm surprised.
go. That's good. There you go. Told you.
It actually is, isn't it?
I didn't have lunch today, man. I'm hungry.
I'm start walking off with it. I'm good on that.
Right? Dang, Brian, it looks like you got swiped on your food, dude.
He even stole my spoon.
Dude, it's good.
So I think I've been on and off cleaning this truck about 20 times today because we kept getting distracted. We've got Nick showed up somewhere. There's Nick. What's up, buddy? Genesis Detailing. He's gonna finish everything off for us. Kind of give it a nice little, you know, the love that it needs.
He did the heavy part. That's all that matters.
There you go. Yeah, trying to make everybody's job easy. Zach's over here moving along with Big Lou's airbag setup, and these things are just monstrous compared to Martin's over there. And then while we're at it, I mean, let's just keep moving on down the line. The drift trike is getting welded. And where's Wes?
I think he's up there watching the fight right now.
Hey, he's about to lose his title. Can't be the hardest working man on the channel if you're not even here. Everybody else is working. So clearly Wes is bored over here. He's swapping some wheels. We got Brian's truck right there. I can't show you guys the front end conversion on it, but the 2500 front end conversion is done on his truck. So now we're seeing what, I don't know, I guess they're swapping wheels. So, hey, you should.
Sponsored by Archon.
All right, now you're sponsored by Archon?
I'm putting these on.
We won't show the front end conversion. We'll show from the wheels back. I don't know. What do you guys think? Which truck looks better? Do you think they should? You think they should swap wheels? Brian's has the black on him right now. So amongst the 15 projects that we've got going on today, we do have the drift trike. I mean, we welded as far as we could weld on that bottom support right there until we ran out of some wire. Now we're working on our super ghetto 2x4 seat mounts, which I think are actually going to work for a minute. Can't see your hole. Hold on, I want this 2x4 straight. It's got to look good. Can't see the other side. Now listen, as ghetto as this is, it's still better than the original idea of floating it on 4 quarter-inch bolts.
All threads.
Brian's not going to fit in this thing. No. But we did shift it a little further forward, so you do have some weight back on the front. All right, the Frankenstein trike is hopefully back together. We're going to see. Uh-oh.
That thing's making like 10 horsepower. I told y'all, that's a good buy right there.
I think it's straight down. That thing's fast.
Yeah, it's revving out now with the new car.
Quarter tank of gas in
No, I
this thing?
filled it, but we've been really giving it fucking hell.
No, you got plenty of gas.
Well, then it blew up.
Uh-oh. It's got plenty of gas.
Does it? Ooh, Wes, the second he got on it, he killed it.
Right?
Dude, it was.
Zach's been over here cranking away. We've got the airbags. There you go. There you go. There's the airbags. He's working on, oh, we've got the compressor already mounted right there. Running the wiring. And good thing Zach is the size that he is because he just barely fits underneath the step when it's down.
I got shortness of breath right now.
Pull! Oh, we're going hot, boys.
Pairing successful.
All right, let's see if it works. Hey! This one sounds quieter than Martin's. Well guys, for today, starting off really kind of weird and nothing going right in the beginning, at least we did get something done. Well, we got a couple things done. Drift trike's running great. Big loose truck's on its way. He's gonna order another compressor. Well, he's gonna get a replacement for the broken compressor, order another one. We're just gonna run dual compressors at this point and add in the couple of extra horns that mount can actually hold. So with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. And don't forget to give this video a like, get a thumbs up. But don't forget to check out workforitapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. Zach,
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.